Hello, today I'm going to show you how to edit the settings of your car, of your Audi A4 S401 using the multimedia interface. Let's have a seat and we are going to check now the car settings on our car or in our car with using our multimedia interface. This is located over here to make a setup. And it's, of course, you can see it in the front of you in the cockpit. To navigate in this system, ignition should be on. You can use this device here. This is a joystick. You can go up and down. You can agree or go to the settings by pushing it down. You can go left, right, up and down with that button too. Left button, right button available. And of course, you have here a back button that means go one step back. Or if you are nearly somewhere deep in the folders, you can go to menu, then you're back in business on the main screen. So now let's perform here a clear setup of our car, interior and additional parts of our car. So we navigate now to car settings. Then everything assist. This gives you information. Maybe there is a full stop in front of you, 500 meters away or something else. It gives you information that you should do not accelerate anymore. This is an efficient stuff. You should enable this if you like. But this is an overview of your car menu and what you can handle there to make a better and comfortable way on the road with your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.